Hi friends, welcome to Delicious Harmony with Marbles. Today we are going to look at a very simple recipe, vegetarian dry Manchurian. So let's start with it. 1 cup grated cabbage, 1 cup grated carrot, 1 cup grated capsicum, corn flour 3 tablespoons, all purpose flour or maida 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt as required, 10 to 12 garlic pods finely chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 cup fine chopped spring onion, 3 numbers green chilies finely chopped, 2 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. So let's take some cabbage, grated cabbage 1 cup. It's a very simple recipe, a perfect evening snacks. 1 cup of grated finely chopped capsicum, another 1 cup of grated carrots, on a high flame. So let's take some oil, around 1 tablespoon. Evenly spread the oil in the pan. Let your pan get heated up nicely on a high flame. Some fine chopped garlic, around 10 to 12 pods of garlic. Your ginger 1 inch grated, finely chopped, I'm sorry. Give it a nice saute, stir it. Add your green chilies, 3 numbers of green chilies finely chopped. It will be nice and spicy. If you want less spicy, you can put chilies as per your requirement. A nice stir again, it's nice and golden brown. I'm going to add some spring onion bulbs or fine chopped spring onion. We are going to keep it for later for garnish. What I'm going to do here is 1 tablespoon of corn flour and around some water Mix it up, make it a thick mix. We are going to thicken it with, we need it little to thicken the gravy later on. So a corn flour mix and a water, that's it. It's nice and golden brown, the aroma is nice. Now you can add the soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Some red chili sauce. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of vinegar as well. I am not adding it right now or in my recipe. Allow it to nicely cook. Add little bit of water, not too much, little bit. I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons or 3 teaspoons of corn flour mix and water, so it will get thickened up. And now you can add your Manchurian balls to it. It's almost ready. Give it a nice toss. It's almost ready. Let's taste it before serving for the seasoning and all. Superb. I have not added any salt because there is already salt content in soya sauce, so you can check it before you serve. Now I am going to add little bit of spring onions, just like that. Keep little bit for garnish as well. It's ready and ready to serve now. Let's serve it. Nicely, a restaurant style dry Manchurian. I hope you guys like it. Let's garnish it nicely with spring onions. A simple garnish. Here we go, ready to serve. Do try the recipe. Share your feedback. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.